Every person on this planet wakes to the human condition. We wake to beauty and to pain, to dreams and fears and questions. Pain isn't something we talk about. It's born in secret. It stays in silence. More than 32,000 Americans are lost to suicide each year. 32,000 sons, sisters, fathers, daughters. 32,000 stories that ended too soon. It's not supposed to be that way. It's time we started talking. People need other people. Hope is real. Help is real. You are not alone.